Hi guys, this is Adam again from Adrenaline Cycles, and got a little video here to show you guys today about something we offer here to really, that affects the looks of your machine when you're riding on the inside, and that is rocker switches. Everybody's got accessories, everybody's got to have a switch to turn them on, and I am not a fan of the little red ones, or I'm really, particular about having something that really doesn't match. Some people it doesn't bother, but for us here at the shop, when we sit down in a Can-Am that costs 30 grand, we want everything to look like it's all factory. We want everything to run seamlessly. So we'll take a look in this buggy and show you how we got this customer's machine set up with some factory style switches that we have that have the look and feel of factory. If you guys want to come and look here. As you can see here, this customer has the CB radio one here, as well as I believe whips and rock lights as well there. As you can see, they got the same indentions as the factory switches on the top and bottom, and then they'll light up orange, and then when you flip it on, they light up orange on the top, just like the factory style. So when it's off, the orange lights on the bottom. You flip it on, the orange lights up on the top. And we got a bunch of different styles of switches. This customer just had one of them installed to keep that look. So you can see there, we'll go back around the back and I'll show you a few more that we have here in stock. Guys, like and subscribe to the channel here so we can get some more viewers, and that way we can do more videos, spend a little more money, and show you guys some better options that we have. And because the more you can learn from us, the more we'll be able to help you guys out in one way, shape, or form. So we'll come on around back here. Here's the lineup we currently have for switches in the Can-Am style, and as you can see here, we'll start out. The first one is a USB switch, and that one lights up orange to match the orange lights going down the line. We got zombie lights, which is really nice. Everybody wants a zombie light. Interior light, this one's made for us as well. It's the shock tower lights. The LED light bar is a real popular one. We sell that one probably 10 a day. We got the auxiliary switch, is a nice one to have if you got something we really don't have the cover for. That one works well. The lighted whip. On down the line, we have our music switch to cut your sound bars or anything off. The winch in and out that matches the factory style. It does not plug into the factory winch harness, but it can be wired up. Next to it is a factory style headlight on-off switch. The one we seen on the inside, the rock lights, and the Can-Am style for the backup lights. And they all come in retail packaging from us here at the shop. We sell them online, so they're really easy to get a hold of. Josh will post some links down to the popular ones below. And like I said, it'll come in nice packaging with instructions, so it's easy to get, install, and have your buggy looking good and clean, factory style all the way across the dash. And and they'll work in Defenders and everything, guys. It's just not the X3 that just happens to be with the customer. We just put some in today and thought, hey, these switches are nice and they look really good. So if you guys need any switches or anything, like I said, use some of the links below Josh will have, so we can get you some shipped out. We ship 5 days a week all over the US. So if you need it, man, we can get it to you guys. I appreciate you watching, and subscribe.